Okay, so this is what they did. They did the family room today. They're just about finished. They just got that little spot over there. And they'll be done with this. Let's see what else. We did get the overhead lights in here. I don't know why they can't be lit, but the lights.
Oh no, I can't get any work.
Can't get them to work. The oven was installed. It's pitch dark in
You
here.
want to put a light on over there?
There's just, we need to fix lighting to it. So, got that. And we had a little snafu with the kitchen sink where it wasn't cut correctly from the factory. It shouldn't have been cut at all, supposedly. And so now we have to wait 3 weeks for a new cabinet. At least 3 weeks. That's the rush. Got the pillars on the stove there and refrigerator. We got the refrigerator in the kitchen finally. And that's about it for today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for watching.